The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Now the whole CaNdY being kidnapped saga or scenario thing keeps going on. You know what I say? Persons are trying to understand what really going on with the whole kidnapping thing. You see me? Some persons are saying it not happen, some persons say it happen. You know? So here I have two videos to present to you right about now. One video that's of the man that is known as CaNdY's manager, right? You see me I say? And then I'm going to play another video of the man that said he found CaNdY and bring her home. He have something to explain, you see me? Please take notes that these video clips are just a piece of what has been said from each person. You get what I'm saying to you? So I just present them to you so that you can get an understanding of what they are talking about or what have been said, alright? So here we have CaNdY's manager, or CaNdY's first time manager, you know, depending on how what is what. So here we have him explaining the situation to someone on a live chat. Observe.
I really have a cuss about it. People might never see me at them mode, but just hear a list and then Mr. GaNgGoOLiE post say CaNdY missing today and CaNdY wicked mother. CaNdY mother we are calling me down and ask how CaNdY money go every time we care CaNdY $8,000 go give her and $7,000 when she do no ads. CaNdY still have to beg about money a morning for buy cigarette and buy food and we give her money last night. She I go say CaNdY missing today now and CaNdY there over containers brunch yesterday. CaNdY they are Tivoli guard at the water party Saturday night. So how CaNdY for missing today?
So where she there?
She there over here now. I'm missing new Instagram page bill and everything bill because everybody have fight to management position.
Oh.
When CaNdY they as African roll pan brum. None of them know CaNdY and see CaNdY when CaNdY in the gutter with Maras and John Jode pan her. None of them know see CaNdY.
Oh yeah.
CaNdY don't call me from morning. She call me this morning, me not lie. She call me this morning and a ball so she can't but she want give up. Cause everybody up here had a pressure when I stress off she stop coming on me. I say CaNdY, anything you do, it's up to you. You understand? And you have to know, say, and me and unknown there from day one round here. We make sure your baby have snacks and everything when you come and say you don't have no money. So if kid don't come in your yard and GaNgGoOLiE pressure you, say you have to move from runway.
Alright, so that a CaNdY manager, I say some things where he want to say right there. So you see? Now I'm gonna play the last one and then I will say something you know, pertaining to this thing. So right about now, listen to what the man that said that he found CaNdY and bring her home, which is known as the man that is known as GaNgGoOLiE, right? Observe again.
Listen me now, peeps. I'm want to listen with sense, have some understanding before no talk. I find out say all we do is just talk, and then I read between the line and find out say something wrong. Because GaNgGoOLiE is not fool for get up at the chat foolishness. You have a thing when you're in public mischief. Yeah, you know me can get charged of that. If me put out false statement of sense people. Listen up. Me no busy with CaNdY and a management team or whosoever manager. You notice when I put out the kidnap thing, me no call nobody name because we grow a certain way. We no roll them the way there. Then, I will not bring down people them the way there. You understand? That is not my problem. May I tell you what happened? And me go for her and bring her back her parents. The day me and I relax myself. I sleep early morning. CaNdY people then call me, her mother. Say she just left from the station and she just lodge a report because her daughter missing and then kidnap her daughter. Listen keenly, you know, people. Me say, yo, me not have nothing to do with that thing, you know. But me still frightened. I mean, I say, what really I go on? Zane? Everybody phone, she said everybody phone locked down, everybody phone shut down, nobody not answer her when she call a joke thing, everybody a grown her. Then pick up a little girl behind her back. without her consent, without she know. Because any business you go do with CaNdY, you link your mother or the father, and not do or not do. Because anything with me I do, with CaNdY musically, me I go in my pocket and pay. I don't beg nobody if do nothing for me. Free, because me not have no luck. And I don't know my thing set, my journey set. Then, I call her up on a stage show long before this whole thing. And she mashed down the whole place. The muscle wine, the dance you see she do, you know. A muscle wine, you know. I may sing muscle wine. And the muscle wine dance originated by the females in a Spanish town. Try remember that. See? So the mother said to me, say, yo, please she beg me and she ball. And I said, mommy, me want to stay far from that thing. I mean, in your thing, you know. You understand? She say, yo, I near for your side she did. Because then she said, and when the police call whosoever, then gear her up and tell her where CaNdY there, you know. You understand? Me still no busy with that part because I don't pressure nobody. Because I don't want to get to you go jail. You understand? Me still I tell him that say ease up, don't lock them up or whatsoever. Me no business with that part. They said we. You understand? Because Obama makes up few links. And the yard where they say she there, the youth them go there and check. And they say she there. So I say, alright, secure her and thing and now make she go up on the front and thing, because you know she boss you know and thing already. Don't make it thing look. Because you know, she go to look away. Bam, charter car, because I drive and charter car. And go there and go for her. When I go see CaNdY, can look like a zombie. See? Because all the people don't just get up and chat and don't know what go and behind the scene, you know. You understand? She look like a zombie. All he can talk. Stiff like a jacket. You understand? So I say, one tea and thing, she all he can talk. So I say, alright. Boom. Call the parents, call the mother and say, yo, she safe now, you know, I bring her forward. You understand? Still not question her, I'm no business about nothing. More than I bring her in safe. Because I don't like that reach her sister or my daughter. You understand? A female that man. You have to treat female different. Where she's a star, she boss you now. You understand? So you have to treat. You see what I say? So I say, yo, she foot dirty. You have to buy food gear. If you eat hungry or kill her. I still not question it, you know. You see when me drop her in her yard. Look a girl start talking to them, put something in her drink. And when she get in her drink, she can't sleep. And she can't stop dance. And she eye then can't lock. That she talk in front, star everybody and the whole community, you know. So that have nothing to have to do with me. Me just there and listen. She walk and happen and show her foot, say them beat liquor with board. And cut her a load box. And say, girl, work. You understand? The mother say, when she come in morning time or whatsoever, previous before this, she come in all $2,000, that still not have nothing to do with me. You understand? So when a man call me name and I write up post about GaNgGoOLiE, a liar than GaNgGoOLiE this and GaNgGoOLiE that. Virgin, a music me do, you know. And the only thing when a bad mind if I know is because me determined and me, you know, when you can't get me out, all when you try. You understand? Because when Bogle say Bogle, Bojo say Bogle are the other for the day. And don't, it's not a problem. World dance. A slang, you know. Butterfly, a slang, you know, next artist DJ about it, you know. So why when a slang, boss, or whatsoever, and GaNgGoOLiE DJ about it, it's a problem. But if it's a next artist DJ about it, it's not a problem. You know, say a GaNgGoOLiE not fight. Eh? You can't stop me. As long as social media about, you can't stop me.
Alright, so that's GaNgGoOLiE. Tell theme side of the story as well, you see. And really and truly have to say this to this thing, you see. Something really go on, something really happened where there is some form of misunderstanding going on, you see me? And it seems to me like, you know, this misunderstanding is very hard to figure out. I mean, maybe somebody I tell a lie, you know, but who? That are the thing. You see me? Somebody definitely I tell the truth. But who? That are the thing again. You see me? I say? But however, this whole thing with them say CaNdY being kidnapped, or should I say CaNdY missing for 2 days, is on social media right about now hot. You see what I'm saying to you? Is it that CaNdY was kidnapped, right? Did she get taken advantage of if she was kidnapped? Is it that CaNdY was on drugs and just ran off and went missing? So if you listen carefully, it seems to me like there's some form of some words being exchanged slightly between the manager and the artist, that is GaNgGoOLiE. You see what I say? We're not sure, but it just seems so, right? Well, anyways, I'm gonna leave this with you, my viewers and subscribers, for tell me what you think about it, right? You just hear the manager, you just hear the artist of fine, where say she's saying fine her and bring her home. So you put all these together and tell me what you think, alright? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is seriousskilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it? Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, me know. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.